On the tone in less than 5. Thanks for hustling, getting out there. Keeping our downtime between these mains low. One, two, three. Carl making the moves up to third over his fourth starting spot. Hopeful car stuck in the switchback. Gonna shake up the order when they come around. Oh, Red Pop was in the lead. And then he went over in the double, and now we got 1, 2, 3 in the high speed corner all together. Someone's in the loop. Oh, Red Pop gets inside after Campbell got a little bit sideways. Oh, Open Wheel Racing at its finest. They spin, but they keep going. 1 minute and 4 to go. 1 in, 4 to go. One 30 in, 3:30 to go. And he goes on the other side of the pipe, Nope.
Other side.
Oh well, I will. So just keep going. I will give you a penalty based on how much time that cut off. Well, I will check your lap. Just keep going. Just keep going. I'll do a stop and go later. I gotta see how many seconds it cut off. Just keep going for now. Cars getting a little bit slicker out there. Yeah, just keep going. I'll probably need next time you come to the loop, just pause on the outside edge for about 4 seconds. I'll tell you when to go. Just give about 4 seconds because the mark's put on the wrong side. Alright. Pull off. Yep, alright, 4 seconds. Just count them. Pull over for just 4 seconds. Alright. Go, yep. Thank you. Oh, I was trying to keep track of someone who got a wrong marshal and fixed their time. We got Matt Lamori. He's your leader. Called posted by Carl. Red Pop, Sim, and teammate. Full strain of cars through the switchback, down the back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 cars last time by the loop, separated by 5 seconds. Leader over the double, second over the double, third over the double, fourth over the double, fifth, pulling back just a little bit. 1, 2, 3 at the loop. Red Pop trying to get past Carl. Oh, he goes fast on his back and now bounces straight. He outmotors him. That was 4 seconds. Red Pop now in second, trying to reel in Lamori with 1:15 to go. Oh, that was your leader, Memorial, heading out to the big jump. Let's put Red Pop to the point. And now Tim up to second. This is a big lap for position changes. We got 36 seconds to go. We'll get one more lap after this one. Your leader, Red Pop in the high speed corner. Coming up on some lap traffic. He's got Campbell 1 second back. Oh, that's the worst spot to go. Well, the whole fleet of cars go past him. There's 6 seconds left. Careful on the back straight. It's clear. You got one more lap, T-Man. You made it. There's a chance you could catch up to him if someone makes a mistake. But right now, we've got Tim, your leader, coming to the loop. He started out strong. We can get qualified. He fell down in that first couple lap, but he fought his way back. Just looking for T-Man coming down the high speed section. That's the race. Tim Campbell with the win, Carl second, Red Pop third, Lamore fourth, T-Man, Mark, and Colin rounding out the field.